Hey, 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 this is your sacred scribe here, ready to do a tree talking for Nature Speaks 333. I'm here with Ted. Say hi, Ted. Let me say hi, Ted. So, this tree was actually waving at me, and it doesn't look so healthy, so I found that interesting. But when I touch it, oh my God, it's very strong. And the reason why it waved at me, it said, is because it's not going to be around for long. It wanted to get a message out. I'm still trying to, I think it's connected to this tree here. But, okay. All right, so I'm going to get a message. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe below. Comment if this resonates. And visit my other channel, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot 333, for daily messages for the signs. And my Etsy shop link is in the description box below for readings. All right, give me one moment. Oh shoot, I usually get the name, but I was talking to the tree. Give me one moment while I get the name. What's your name? Say again. Talinghar? Like spell Talinghh. Okay. A-R. Okay. Talinghar? Talinghar, is that how you pronounce it? Okay. All right, what's the message? Do you have a message? What's the message for humanity? Strike while the iron is hot. While the vibratory fields have risen at a very rapid rate. Oh, there are many opportunities that all of you will have access to. Many doors that can open for you. This may seem overwhelming, as many options are going to be put in front of you. These options will seem very different to you. Very different roads, very different journeys that you can choose to take. But you must have awareness of them. As you contemplate these various journeys, feel into what the journey would entail, what the journey would feel like. Base your decisions on these feelings, not on appearances. For you may have something that appears great, that appears as if it would give you everything you've ever wanted. But does it entail these qualities? Think about the journeys you are excited to embark on. What do they feel like? What is your dream journey? What is the feeling behind it. Yes, there is always a vision, but it is the feeling that is most inherent within the journey itself. Through your lens, feel. Through your heart, feel. And through your power, experience the possibility. Is that it? Okay. Thank you, Talinghar. I appreciate it. Very nice to meet you. I'm not sure why do you feel that you're not going to be here? Oh. Okay. He's saying brush. They feel as if this is brush. So if I give you a picture, so maybe that's what's going to happen. They may be trimming this soon. See this? This is a wooded area over here. Okay, and this is where the tree is. So apparently, the tree knows they're going to consider this brush and possibly trim this back a little. Because I am at, this is a field. So, landscapers, yep. Well, thank you, Talinghar. We all appreciate the message. Thank you for the wave. It literally waved at me. Like this leaf here was going like this. And there was no wind. Okay, guys, please like, share, and subscribe below. Comment, let me know if this resonates with you. And as always, stay within your heart and stay connected to love. Namaste.